experiment on how eggs react to different liquids. First, we have water, then apple cider vinegar. After that, we also have oil. And we have 3 eggs to put in each liquid. And we also have some food coloring to put in the vinegar. So now, let's begin. First, we put 1 egg in the water. And we put another inside the vinegar. And also we put another inside the oil. And now we will also put some food coloring and pour it inside the vinegar. And now we have to wait for 3 to 5 days and we will see what reaction will happen to these 3. So, see you after 5 days.
See you after 5 days.
Today is the 2nd day. So now let's see what has happened to our eggs so far. No reaction in the water. So now let's go to vinegar. I think something is happening in here. I don't think we need to wait for 5 days. Let's just wait until tomorrow and see what happens to it. Now let's go to oil. No reaction as well.
No, brother, there's some bubbles in the egg.
Oh yeah. Okay, so now let's wait for the conclusion tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. Hi everyone. Day 3 today. So let's see what happened to our eggs now. So come on. First, we'll check the egg in the water. Yeah. Now let's drop it and see what happens. Oh, it cracked. This egg is still hard. No reaction. Now let's move to the oil. Wow, this egg still didn't crack. Wow, the oil I think is making it more harder. Let's try again. Oh, it's cracking. Now let's just go to the vinegar. Wow, the egg is bouncing. And look, the shell has dissolved too. Do you know why it is bouncy? Because the acetic acid of the vinegar reacted with the calcium carbonate of the eggshell. This made the eggshell soften and disappear. And the shell of the egg in the vinegar becomes decalcified. This means that the eggshell in the acetic acid of vinegar dissolves. Come on, Zuha, let's play with this amazing.
Wait, brother, I have a question.
What question, Zuha?
Why is those both white and this is blue?
Don't you remember that we added food coloring inside the vinegar?
Oh yeah, now I remember.
So now, come on, let's play with this. You want to have a try?